this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to clean your Zebra ZC300 Card Printer using the official cleaning kit, ensuring smooth operation and sharp, professional print.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
These steps are simple and straightforward. Just watch closely, and you'll get through the process without a single problem. Turn on the printer and wait until it's ready. Error 4001 appears, meaning there's no card inside. Insert a card to clear the error. Warning code 7047 appears, meaning the printer needs cleaning. For this process, you'll need the official cleaning kit. If you don't have one, you can easily get it from Amazon, other online marketplaces, or even local stationery stores. The price is usually between $20 and $30. Unfortunately, the printer screen is not touch sensitive, so you'll be navigating using the 3 buttons located just below the display. It's very easy. Just follow along carefully in the video. Press the right arrow button to open the printer settings. Use the middle button to select the Clean Printer option. Press the right arrow again to proceed with the cleaning settings. Now you'll see the message, "Would you like to start the cleaning process?" Press the right arrow again to start the cleaning process. Now the screen shows the message to remove the ribbon and card. Let's take them out. Open the top cover of the printer and gently remove the ribbon. Keep the top cover open and gently remove the card. Ready to clean. Insert cleaning card in manual feed slot. Insert the cleaning card slightly, and the printer will pull it in automatically. Make sure the cleaning card is clean. You can reuse it several times by wiping it with alcohol and cotton before each use. As you can see, the cleaning process is simple and fast. Now, let's reload the ribbon and your cards into the printer to continue printing. Now, wait a moment while the printer recognizes the ribbon and gets ready. Now, insert your cards into the printer. The printer is now ready. Let's print a test to make sure it's working properly. thank you for watching this cleaning guide from Device Doctor. Regular maintenance like this helps extend the life of your Zebra ZC300 printer and ensures consistent, high-quality prints every time. You can support our channel by sending super chats or by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with others who may benefit from it. Stay tuned for more expert tips and troubleshooting guides, and as always, keep your devices running smoothly.